Hi, this is Scoggett. This is the third part to my beef and wild rice stuffed bell pepper video, and I've baked the bell peppers and brought them out. They look great and they smell excellent. And I'm going to show you how they come out. This is the way they come out right here, and as you can see, one of them fell. And what I'm going to do with that one, well, if I can get it out, I'm going to plate this one up. Okay, it's cooked and everything, and I'm going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do is cut it in half. And I'll tell you what, oh, they smell good. This is what I have right here. I have a stuffed bell pepper, what has the cheese, and it has the stuffing inside. And I'm going to go ahead and sample some of it. And I'll tell you what, this is good. Let me get the right angle here. As you can see, it's cooked to perfection, and I'll tell you what, it smells great. Go ahead and take a taste of it. I'll let you know. Ooh, it's hot. Take another taste. The flavors of the stuffing, the melted cheese, and also the bell peppers, all that comes together. And they are just fantastic. Made 6 of these. I'll probably eat 2. Miss Scoggett might eat 1, and that leaves some for tomorrow. So, this is Scoggett. I hope you give this a try. It's not hard to make, and you can add whatever you want. I mean, when it comes to bell peppers, like stuffed bell peppers, you can add white rice instead of the Uncle Ben's. I like Uncle Ben's because I like the flavor of it. White rice, jasmine rice, any kind of rice you like. No rice, it's all up to you. But hope you give this a try. Really good, and just a really good meal for everybody. And what I would suggest, if you spray the pan like I did, is cut the bottoms of the bell peppers off so they sit a little better. I didn't do that, made that mistake, and as you can see, one fell. But it still is all good. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and I am hungry and going to get to eating. And y'all take care.